Yeah. Hey, what is up, everybody, man? How you guys doing? You know what I'm saying? I'm over here at this store and I wasn't expecting this, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, take a look, man. These are the, oh man, 77. Man, I'm so shocked. This store never has a car culture. These are the door slammers. Damn, son. I mean, I have to, man. I have to take them. You know what I mean? And I think they are on sale because the holidays or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna have to check that at the register. I think it is a complete set. Yeah, let's go through them real quick. This is the 5 out of 5. Take a look at this beauty, man. 5 out of 5. There you guys have it. 74 Escort RS 1600. Damn, JDM, or at least a right-hand drive. You know what I'm saying? It's not a JDM, but it's a right-hand drive, I guess. Very, very nice. Take a look at Jones. I think it says on the license plate. Very nice, man. Metal on metal. Rail Riders. Sweet. That was the 5. Let's see, where's the 4? Oh, here it is. This is the 4 out of 5. BMW 2002. Damn. Sweet, sweet casting. E-Back Racing. Very, very nice, man. That was the 4. The 3 is the Datsun, which of course, if there's a 2, then yeah, there's a second. I'm gonna take both of them. Sweet, great castings. Very, very nice, man. Yeah. That was the 3 out of 5, and this is the 2 out of 5. Alfa Romeo Giulia Sprint GTA. Damn, take a look at this headlights, man. It's got the X. Like, damn, staring you down, you know. Alfa Romeo. Yeah. Left-hand drive. This thing is nice. 4 spokes wheels. Oh, that one is also 4 spokes. But yeah, man, I mean, let me see this Datsun again, because it's a metal on metal. Sweet, man. And these ones always have one spun, I guess, right there. One rivet, like a rivet, you know. Green BS, you know what I'm saying? BS. That's what he says right there, you know what I'm saying? And the 1 out of 5, this kind of looks like the Nightburners edition, Urban Outlaw. It's just now it's metal on metal with the Rail Riders. Very nice. Sweet. Great casting, and the artwork is all there, man. Definitely. Sort of like a paint, acrylic, or I don't know exactly, but yeah. And there you guys have the 1st, the 2nd, and the 3rd, and then you get like a zoom in on the 2nd, and you guys see the back on the 3rd, and the 3rd doesn't show the 4th one. The 4th one, it's by itself, kind of, and the 5th one is just definitely by itself. But yeah, not bad, man. I'm gonna go check at the register how much they are, and definitely gonna double this, and if possible I will double all of them. That way I'll get 2 sets, but I'm trying to like slow down a minute. But anyway, see you guys, and hope you guys find these set. Thank you guys for watching. Yeah, this is beautiful right here. What's up, everybody? How you guys doing, man? Got to this Target right here. It got a little loud, so I didn't record while going through the pegs, but yeah, man. There's a lot of new B and C castings, but take a look. Got me the Ford GT40 Super Treasure Hunt, and I hear there's like variations for this, at least in the tone of the color. There's like a darker paint job on it. This one looks to be the light, but yeah, man, super nice B case treasure hunt, the first for 2020. I still need yet to find the Skyline. That was the A case, but yeah, not bad. I mean, doing some holiday shopping, and I got to find these pegged, so that's good, no? Other than that, well, that's it, I guess. Happy holidays and stay hunting, guys. Yeah.